welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Cliqki.com. Cliqki.com is a platform that believes that everyone is an influencer. That is, everyone can influence people to buy things and to take actions on the internet. So as you can see from the website, it says monetize your online activity. Cliqki is a marketplace for influencers where you earn for sharing content posted by brands. And with Cliqki, they said everyone is an influencer. So if you check Cliqki so well, you would get to realize that there are lots of brands that are partnering with Cliqki.com. For example, eFinance, we have Stanbic IBTC, we have Fan Eyes, we have Female Cinemas, we have Rent Money, we have Airtel, we have MTN, we have Access Bank, and so on and so forth. Now, all you have to do to start earning money from this platform is by sharing whatever has been posted on this platform. Now, once they post things, they pay them to help them boost the post, and you get paid for sharing this content. Now, the things you need to do is, number one, to sign up. Number two is to share whatever has been posted on the platform, and number three is to earn. It's as simple as ABC. Yes, it's as simple as ABC. So guys, they said this platform is designed for influencers, and the question is, who are these influencers? You are, as an internet user, you are an influencer. So this is an opportunity for you to come out of the shell and start monetizing your internet usage. Don't waste it. It's not time for you to waste money just spending time on Facebook, Twitter, and co. This is the time for you to monetize your social presence. So this is how it works. They said Cliqki is a digital influencing community or platform connecting brands, content creators, and influencers. We're empowering the next generation gig economy of Gen Z African creators. They said earn per click when you share content amongst peers, reward your followers, your lower followers, and promote brand content products across multiple channels. Now, the next thing you have to do right now, guys, because you're already here, is that you have to create an account. Now, to create an account, there is a button there. I just clicked it, so it's going to take you to a page, and the form is quite easy to use. After you have registered on the platform, if you are using Gmail, please make sure you check your spam or your promotions to see the email, the activation email that will be sent to you. Now, this is how it works. Once you create your account, the next thing you want to do is to log into your account. I have created an account on this platform, and I will log in right now so you can see what the dashboard looks like and how it works. So once you log into the account, it says welcome to Cliqki. Next, so we don't need to take a tour. So once you log into your account, by the right hand side, the left hand side of the platform, you would see the menu side, and on the menu side you would see whatever activities that are on the platform. For example, they have different classifications of influencers. Now, as a new person, I am a nano influencer. Now, we have lots of things. For example, you can see the newsfeed, uploads, analytics, subscription, wallet, settings, and referral. They have a referral option also, where you refer people and earn money. So just like you update your social network, you can create content on this platform, but for those that want to earn, it is not necessary. Now, once you get to the dashboard, you would see lots and lots of posts. For example, this lady is trending right now. This is Hilda. She's trending, and because she's contesting to win the world record, so it's already there. But you see the word right up below, it says note that this content's budget has been exhausted. Sharing this content will not generate you any reward. So this was sponsored by eFinance. They wrote something about this lady that's contesting to be the world to break the world record for the cooking section category, and this platform, this organization already paid Cliqki to help them boost this post. So what happens here is that once you register and you log into your dashboard, you will see the post and you can share. Once you share, when people click through the post, there is a particular amount of money that will be paid to you, and the more posts you can share, the more engagements you can get on the post, the more clicks on the post, the more money you make. So it is more like a cost per action platform. Now, if you scroll down, you will see that everything that pertains to this lady has expired, because as at this afternoon she had already won what she was contesting for. But if you scroll down, you will see other things. For example, this person wants activities on his or her Facebook page, YouTube page, and it is still like there is still about 50,000 to be made here. All you have to do is click on visit link, then do whatever instruction has been given to you. We call it cost per action. So there is an action for there is a cost that comes with whatever action that you take on this platform. Now, if you scroll down also, you would see Joe Boy's app what we makes. Then the activities for to be done. Once you do the activities, you will be paid. But I think it has expired. And to say this is more like a secret to how people get views, get traffic to their digital assets online, their posts and their songs. So it's just like you guys are getting to know how it works. Now, if you scroll down also, there is an app here that says you should drop a sort of review, and these reviews are based on what you have to install before you can review. So there is a budget for it, and the more you're able to get people to install these things and review the product, the more money you make. So let's scroll down also. This one is from federal government, so lots of things. Now, all you have to do, like I said earlier, is just for you to sign up and become an influencer. Sign up on this platform and start making money right away. Now, if you check this other part, you would see the referral area. Now, to refer, you just have to agree and join the referral program. Yes. So now, thanks for watching this video, guys. If this is your first time of watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We talk about money, we talk about finance, we talk about cryptocurrencies, we do investment reviews. Thanks once again for watching. Make sure you subscribe before leaving this channel and share this link with your friends. Thank you and bye for now.